Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys? Here we have a 2003 Chevy Impala. We're going to be doing some videos today. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. To fill the engine oil, your cap is right here. On the cap it states what kind of oil, 5W30. Generally you can check your owner's manual as well. Twist the cap and then pull the cap off and put a funnel in there to top it off. To install the cap, just put it down and turn it to the right. Dipstick is located right here, so we can check our engine oil. We can pull the dipstick out, wipe it off, reinsert the dipstick, let it sit for a second, and then pull it out. Then we can check the level. This level is right up there on those hash marks, about 3/4 of the way to the top. So this vehicle would not need the oil topped off. Reinsert the dipstick when you're done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.